Hello, welcome to a thumbnail mastering course where I'ma teach you how to create the best thumbnails on YouTube. First episode of this course will be just a continuation of my video on YouTube, so if you haven't watched it yet, go and do this. But don't worry, you won't have to do that for the next episodes. Let's start with story thumbnails. These are all about building up narrative. They introduce attention or a mystery point that makes you think, what's the full story here? You end up clicking because you want to see how all it goes. We can compare this kind of thumbnails to movie posters because the goal is the same. That curiosity makes people click to see how the story ends. The goal is to set up a moment that makes your viewer think, I need to know what happened. Here are some amazing examples of this kind of thumbnails. First, from Magnets Media. This thumbnail instantly screams with a quality, bright colors, very famous face, and absolutely interesting objects and things happening. And the second one, about astronaut. Nothing too crazy, definitely less crazy than this Magnets Media one, but it's also very good because it's simple. 2 pictures, 1 arrow, 1 circle, and it's all we need. Result thumbnails. They are all about showing the final exciting outcome of something. It's like revealing an amazing thing that everybody wanted. What makes this thumbnail so powerful is that they make people think, wow, how did they do that? I want to know the steps. It gets viewers super curious about how you reach that result. This is why result thumbnails work so well. They are all about sharing that big win and making others want to learn how to get there, because our brains are wired to pay attention to success, wins, etc. There is a guy on YouTube called Samham, and his best videos are the videos with result thumbnails when he, puts very famous face in the middle, in the center, and he shows this transformation, this result, and he shows how he changes things from boring, from messy to absolutely piece of art. That's why he performs so good, and like we can see, this kind of thumbnails, the result thumbnails, are the best performing videos on his channel. This kind of thumbnails you can also use in cooking niche. For example, this thumbnail. This thumbnail shows us how steak looks after different times of cooking. This thumbnail has a couple of millions of views. The reason why it has so many views is basically it's interesting for viewers who are interested in cooking. And if somebody wants to eat steak or prepare a steak, they're gonna be interested in the time you need to spend on making a good steak. Transformation thumbnail. Transformation thumbnails are very similar to the result thumbnail. These thumbnails show huge change, very often very enlarged. It's like seeing a messy room turn into a 5-star hotel, or transformation from skinny guy into the best bodybuilder. And the best part? The most relatable the starting point is, the more people want to see how the transformation happened. Simply, the bigger change, the more people will click on the thumbnail. Novelty thumbnails. Novelty thumbnails are all about showing something unexpected and new, and these thumbnails are like art. You don't want to copy realism, you want to make it better, show things in completely new way. It's the kind of thumbnail that makes you think, I've never seen something like that before. It could be something really cool, super weird, or just completely out of the ordinary, because we are naturally drawn to things that are different. It's like finding a surprise. And the best guy in this kind of thumbnails is Ryan Trahan. His thumbnails are absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at the thumbnail when he stayed at secret hotels. This thumbnail instantly built this curiosity because we want to click on this thumbnail thanks to the very unusual things that we cannot see in everyday life. Or I stayed in OMG Airbnbs. Why this thumbnail is so good and why this video has 26 million views? Probably is Ryan Trahan, that's the reason. But the other reason is also that this thumbnail shows something unexpected, something new that most of us didn't see. Reaction thumbnails. Reaction thumbnails are all about tapping into the connection with the other people. When viewers see someone, especially their favorite personality, reacting with a big emotion on something, shock, excitement, or even confusion, it instantly makes them want to find out what's going on. And here is cool part, it doesn't necessarily just have to be a person. Reaction thumbnails also work if you use an object or something your audience is super familiar with. Whenever your ideal audience sees a person reacting on an object they recognize, they will feel that urge to click and find out. Here is a perfect example of the reaction thumbnail from Guy from Beta Squad. They are reacting to very unusual items from very popular brands that we recognize and we are interested in, and basically want to see why they are so fascinated in all of this, and we want to check how all of this tastes, because we're simply interested in this because we know the brands, we know the guys, and we just want to watch the video thanks to this.